In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're working on legal documents or collaborating on a project, being able to identify differences between two versions of a document can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process to make this task easy and efficient. First, we'll start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Make sure that you have the software installed and up to date so you can take advantage of all its features. Once you're in the program, you'll need to navigate to the Tools tab, which is conveniently located at the top of the interface. This tab is like a toolbox offering you various functionalities available within Adobe Acrobat Pro. As you find yourself in the Tools section, scroll through the options or use the search bar to locate the Compare Files tool. This tool is specifically designed to help you find differences between two PDF documents, whether they're subtle text changes or major formatting shifts. Once you've found it, click on Compare Files to open its window. Now you're in the Compare Files interface and it's time to select the documents you want to compare. You'll notice two options here, one labeled as Old File and the other as New File. Click Select File under the Old File prompt, and this is where you'll choose the first PDF document that you want to compare. This first document serves as your baseline or original version. Next, move to the New File section where you'll click Select File again to pick the second PDF document. This is the version you're interested in comparing against the original to see what changes have been made. Once you've selected both files, go ahead and click the Compare button to initiate the analysis. Adobe Acrobat Pro will now begin its magic, analyzing both documents meticulously to reveal differences. You won't have to wait long before the program presents you with the findings. It highlights the changes in text, images, formatting, and even more intricate details, providing you both a summary and a detailed view of the differences. To efficiently navigate through the results, make use of the navigation pane. This feature allows you to jump through each difference with ease, reviewing them side by side. This side-by-side comparison ensures that you won't miss any critical changes. And there you have it, a seamless way to compare two PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro. By following these straightforward steps, you can save time and ensure accuracy in your document review process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your workflow a bit smoother. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.